The biggest avoidable cost in any factory in the world is downtime. A stop in production can cost factories millions of dollars. The decision of whether to stop production to immediately fix a problem or to wait until the next planned downtime is often critical. Today, we can empower factories not only to recognize problems ahead of time, but also to make decisions with informed prioritization of problems. PTC has developed the manufacturing journey to help companies chart their course for continuous operational improvement through digital manufacturing, real-time intelligence, and predictive analytics. The Thingworx Asset Advisor app enables manufacturers to capture factory data from multiple sources into a unified stream and to harness the power of machine learning in order to achieve outcomes such as predictive analytics and real-time issue identification, resulting in increased asset uptime. Using the manufacturing demonstrator, let's play the role of a maintenance engineer or supervisor. In a single pane of glass, Asset Advisor provides a view of all assets on the floor, including their status and any alerts or anomalies that might exist on them. By selecting a specific asset, we can see exactly how it's performing currently and how it's performed over its history. Let's take a closer look at some of these assets, starting with the quality station. We have a real-time view of its status history and any associated KPIs, conveyor speed, vibration, and motor temperature. We're also notified in real time about any warnings, malfunctions, or future problems predicted. Right now, everything looks good. We could drill into the status of any asset, but let's look at the pneumatic system next. Let's show you what would happen if there was an air leak in the pneumatic system. We're going to open this escapement valve to mimic the effect of a loose fitting. As we open the valve, we can hear the leak and can immediately see an anomaly in the airflow sensor reading and in the trend chart. An alert has been triggered and the asset status indicator has changed from running to warning. This actionable intelligence can also be delivered to maintenance personnel on the shop floor with augmented reality, meaning that you can easily monitor the status of your assets, including key KPIs and raw sensor data, and be alerted of any malfunction, regardless of whether you are at a workstation or on the move. Notice that our application is also predicting that the leak will result in a pneumatic gate failure in 15 days' time. Our analytics engine has been running this entire time, receiving data from the system at a rate of 800 data points per second. This real-time data streaming allows software to establish a baseline of normal operating conditions and immediately detect and broadcast any anomalies that arise. Thingworx Analytics Engine then uses its prediction capabilities to predict a future outcome. Using Thingworx, we can even generate a maintenance ticket in our maintenance work order system to ensure this gets addressed by a maintenance engineer in a timely fashion. Let's close the valve now. Notice how the status indicator goes back to running and the alert disappears. Maintenance workers' efficiency and flexibility can also be drastically increased with augmented reality. In this example, we can see how a maintenance procedure consisting of replacing the bearing in the conveyor belt can be delivered just in time, layering digital information on the maintenance worker's physical world. Asset Advisor integrates data from multiple sources in the factory, ERP, EAM, and PLC, in a way that merges IT and OT systems into a unified stream. This enables maintenance, production, quality, and other manufacturing teams to work collaboratively on the same dataset. For the maintenance team, this transformation enables the prediction of failures and continuous learning for both asset health and performance improvement. As we've demonstrated, these apps support the outcomes in the understand and advanced band of the PTC manufacturing journey with predictive analytics, real-time issue identification, operational intelligence, and AR-enabled operations. In the next segment, we'll see how Thingworx can unlock additional value on the shop floor with the Production Advisor app.